All right, welcome back. We're going to take a look at comments. Comments are lines that are ignored by the compiler. So we have our comment here, and the compiler doesn't read this. So our application is going to run the same whether this comment is in here or if it's not. So the only real purpose it serves is to make the code more readable for humans like you and me. So some good places to put comments would be right before your functions. Another good place would be, for instance, a comment at the top of your package explaining what that package does and what its purpose is. Now we're going to go over two different kinds of comments. The first one is a single line comment, which it's just 2 forward slashes, a space, and of course our commented text. Now let's say I was going to go ahead and put a comment here for bumped println I. I'd want to make sure that I'm indented as much as the code that I'm commenting for. So and if I was going to comment the next one, I would do the same thing. Now, the other type of comment that we have is the multi-line comment. And as you can see here, we have an opening tag and a closing tag. And of course, we put whatever text we want in between there. The idiomatic way to do this is to put the opening tag on its own line and to put the closing tag on its own line. Now, one of the other great things that the multi-line comment is good for is commenting out a chunk of code. Now let's say we have an error here and we don't have time to find it right now, but we want to go ahead and execute our program. Now I may not want to delete this whole section of code, so all I have to do is put in a comment. So let's go ahead and just run it real quick with the error still intact. We see we have our error. All we need to do is comment it out. And there it goes, there it runs. So whenever we have time, we can get back to this, fix the error, and then run it again. All right, I'll see you in the next one.